Who's ready?
Hell, I'm coming in.
I was looking over there. Go back out there again. 1, 2, 3, action. Mango rolls, and when I say that, I mean that, mango rolls. And what's really great about this is you don't need to have rice noodles, and it just makes things a hell of a lot easier. And it's so simple, and there's a trick to making these, is you don't need boiling hot water for the rice paper either. You just need temperature water from the tap or the filter or wherever you get your water from. And I've got a really big giant mango here actually, which is huge. And I just want to cheek this. Just be careful with your knife when you do this as well. So I want that. And how you're going to cheek this is by taking your spoon and just running it around like that. And just cheeking it out. It's called in chef world. And that goes in the bin, and the same with the avocado is by doing the same thing called cheeking. And that's going to go there. And then you're going to cut slices. And that's so easy, right? Just that cheeking. A lot of people really struggle with how to get nice slices and how to get that mango sorted. Nice strips. And I just want to eat a piece of that right now. Oh. So I've got some beautiful coriander, so I'm just going to pick that off so it's ready for me. I've got some delicious fresh mint leaves, which is a great idea to grow in your garden. I always say to people is like find the most moist part in your garden and grow some mint, because you'll have it on tap all the time. And then I've got some red capsicum and loads of just mixed lettuce. Loads of it. And all you're going to do is place one of these rice paper, and see how I've got these different colours? I know, right? I got these in Singapore, and they're dyed with charcoal and beetroot and turmeric, and they're just gorgeous. But normally they're just a clear colour. Put those aside just over here, and you need a clean tea towel. Just aside here so you can have it if you need to, and a chopping board. And I'm completely ready, and so are you. It's really important when you watch this video, when you've read the recipe, and you can get everything ready and manage things a lot easier. Okay, now it's really starting to get soft, and this is where you want to pull it out, drain the water off, just place onto your tea towel like that, like I just did, straight onto your chopping board. And then it's going to be some lettuce, nice chunky strip of mango, and some avocado, those lovely herbs, and some red capsicum. And don't be afraid to roll this. It's gonna take a couple of goes to get it right, but don't be afraid. So. And be quite firm as well. Don't freak out that you've got to be really gentle. So holding the roll like this, and you're going to go straight over the top and just stop and just acknowledge what you're doing. Really important. And then I'm going to flip that side over like a present, and that side over as well. And I'm just going to roll. And then I'm going to do another one. And I'm not going to cut that straight away because it's just going to fall apart. And they're rustic. They don't have to be perfect Instagram situations. They are nourishing and delicious and well worth the effort. And there's nothing like something fruity and something savoury together. And a little bit of tamari to dip this in just brings it home. So it's kind of collapsing. And then straight away I take it onto my tea towel, just a quick dab, straight onto the chopping board. And the same thing again. Loads of lettuce. Nice thick strip of mango. Some of that red capsicum. Delicious herbs of mint and coriander. Some avocado. And then the same technique over the top and stop. Just acknowledge where everything's at. Push anything in if you need to, or break anything off if it's sticking out too far. And then we're going to wrap it like a present. It's kind of meditative actually. It's like a meditation. And now you're going to cut them in half. I know, right? Delicious and easy. Dee came over and rolled one, didn't you, Dee?
I did. It was fun.
It's easy, right?
Easy.
You kind of panicked a bit.
I think it's because the camera was
The camera's in your face, yeah. People panic around cameras. Perfectly understandable. Bit of tamari. And all I'm going to do is just sit them around this plate and have them looking deliciously yummy for us to have our lunch. And that's it. Yes! And it's the mango that brings it home, really. They're fruity and delicious and, oh my God. And the saltiness of the tamari with a hint of the fruit, you know, that sweet and salty. Oh my God, it's so good. And you can put chili flakes in there. But that's it. Really, really simple. I'm gonna go now and eat these.